Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here at Technique Tuesday number 80. So today we are going to be expanding a little bit on our decorative border thin cuts. We will also be expanding on our extended tags, and just to show you a little bit of our adhesive to use these little decorations. And it's a really great adhesive.
Yeah,
it just came back out.
It is. And it's great when you have intricate designs because it doesn't stick to it.
Yeah. So we were just doing we're cutting a cricket class that used a lot of intricate designs, and it was a really great adhesive to use. So we are about to show you.
Yes.
So today we are using our decorative borders thin cuts. This is an old technique that we did a few weeks ago, but we will be using it on Thursday for our Throw It Together Thursday. So we figured we would bring it back right now just to show you a little bit more about it. So once again, our thin cuts are decorative borders. They come with all of these borders here. But what we're showing you today is Close to My Heart just came back out with its adhesive. So this is the exclusive Close to My Heart adhesive. You can see it's got these pretty little flowers on it, and it says Close to My Heart. And what's really nice about it is actually dots. So if you are gluing anything that is really intricate, the dots won't stay on what you are cutting.
What you were gluing.
Yes, that's what I meant. What you cut out. So we ran these through the Cuddle Bug. And as you saw, we cut these through the Cuddle Bug, and now we've got them to glue onto our tag, our extended tag that we had done last week. So we're kind of slightly throwing things together a little bit earlier just to show you, but we'll be doing a more intricate thing on Thursday. So let's start off. So I really like this vine. I'm just trying to figure out how to work it. I think isn't that cute? Especially if you cut a few of them. And then these flowers also are really cool, especially if you have our scissors. You can cut out the border, but you can also actually cut out the individual flowers. So if we really nicely cut these flowers out, you can use multiples. Just got to continue to round those edges if you want. Honestly, they're not that noticeable either. But we're just going to cut a few of these out, giving you some more ideas for ways to use them. This is our Feels Like Home paper. Oops, we don't want the striped flower, do we? We have the Feels Like Home paper, so these are both Feels Like Home. This is our Sweet Leaf cardstock. And if you watched our extension tag video, this is our Bluebird paper. This is the light side of the Bluebird. So what I will first be doing is I'm going to be taking the vine, and I'm going to be using our glue. And I've got this scrap piece of paper under here because my mom said they're more like little diamonds, actually, not dots. But I'm going to do that. It's going to leave it all on here, and then this is nice and glued. Ooh, it's really sticky too. And we're going to go right down onto that tag. So because of the way that I cut it in the Cuddle Bug, it actually gave it a little bit of a little windiness. So I just went with that. So we've got that glued down, and this isn't sticky at all. If you needed to, if you had a little bit of extra stick, you could actually use our rub and erase or eraser, which looks like this. It's just a little rub and erase. And if you got some extra glue, like on my scrap paper now, you just wipe it up. So that's what that does. But if you have anything extra on here, like let's say there was something here, go like that, easy peasy. And then we've got our little flowers. So these things are usually really hard to glue. You could use, if you really wanted to, your glue pens. I use glue pens a lot, but they just came back out with this, so this is also a lot easier if you don't want to use a glue pen. This is one of the broad tip glue pens, but this is a broad tip glue pen. And then this is just the regular glue pen. This is the brush. So they're a little thicker. This is going to get that really, really small dots right where you want them. Super sticky, like I said. And then goes right on top of where you want it. So I'm going to add a few of these, and then we'll talk a little more. And there you go. So we've got our little border here. Once again, you could do another vine. You could even make these little short and put them all along the bottom too. But just to show you that something simple as the decorative borders. I'm making grass. Hold on. We're pausing. No, I'm going to do it on Thursday. Okay, we'll continue this on Thursday. I'm getting creative juices flowing here. But just so you can see, it was super easy for me to glue all of those down, and the new Close to My Heart glue is absolutely amazing, so go check it out. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about our tag, let us know. We will be throwing this together more on Thursday. We will be using our decorative borders, our extension of the tags. We will be using the glue, and we will be using our perfect triangles. So don't forget that technique. That is a really good one. And remember, if you do if you place an order that qualifies for our Kit of the Month, we use the perfect triangles in it, and it's a really, really cute page. So make sure you go check that out at our blog. And our weekend is also on our blog, so make sure you go check that out as well. Any last thing about our adhesives?
No, it's just a really great adhesive, and I'm glad that Close to My Heart brought it back.
Yeah, so I guess that's it. We'll see you on Thursday. Bye.
Don't move it! Don't move it!
I got it.
This is really pretty. It looks like we're far away.
We will also be I'm gonna sneeze. We'll be using extending the tags, we'll be using the decorative borders, extending the tags, and what is our third one? Our fourth one?
It's a surprise.
I just wrote it upstairs. I just wrote it down. That and
Perfect triangles.
oh yeah, that. Get to wrap.